Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor for UNESCO to join you today at this inaugural Jofus Anamwa Mensa annual public lecture on TVET transformation in Africa, an initiative that not only honors an extraordinary reformer, but also inspires us to look boldly toward the future of skills development across this continent. This moment reflects a shared ambition across Africa to place the skills people need to work, to adapt, and to thrive at the very heart of development. This ambition is fully aligned with the African Union Agenda 2063, the Continental Education Strategy for Africa, CESA, the African Continental TVET Strategy, as well as UNESCO's Operational Strategy for Priority Africa. The urgency is clear. Africa is the youngest region in the world, with around 70% of the population in sub-Saharan Africa under the age of 30. Every year, between 8 and 11 million young people enter the labor market, but only about 3 million formal jobs are created. The world of work is also changing rapidly. Around 40% of jobs in Africa are exposed to automation risks. Climate change is reshaping economies and livelihoods, and demand is growing for digital and AI-related skills, green skills, and other human abilities such as analytical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and resilience. In the face of these challenges, the task for TVET systems in Africa is clear: to expand opportunity, strengthen inclusion, and enable young people, women, persons with disabilities, and people in vulnerable and marginalized situations to build meaningful and resilient lives. This requires transforming how we design, deliver, and value TVET, building systems that support lifelong learning, strengthen partnerships with industry, expand work-based learning opportunities, invest in teachers and institutions, and ensure better coordination across education, labor, and industry. TVET must not be seen as a second chance or a fallback option, but a first choice: modern, dynamic, and connected to real opportunities. TVET in Africa must be positioned to produce innovators, inventors, and highly skilled experts capable of addressing the continent's pressing development challenges. This means strengthening and modernizing TVET institutions, equipping them with cutting-edge tools, and embedding innovation and entrepreneurship in TVET systems. This is the vision promoted by UNESCO through the recommendation concerning TVET and our strategy for TVET. Systems that are inclusive, flexible, and aligned with labor markets, while also supporting lifelong learning and sustainable development. Most importantly, this is a vision that Africa has made its own. Through close collaboration with development partners and through flagship initiatives such as the Better Education for Africa's Rise project, the Capacity Development for Education program, the Global Skills Academy, and the Campus Africa initiative, UNESCO is supporting several countries across Africa to translate these ambitions into concrete action. Transformation does not happen alone. It happens through partnerships, through shared commitment, through collective action. It is about unlocking potential, expanding opportunity, and building more inclusive and resilient societies. This is the future Africa deserves, and this is the future we must build together. Thank you.